Let's see something more about this medal. The medal itself is very simple in appearance. Means what? This it looks very simple. It is made of bronze and is fitted with swivel mounting and has a plain purple ribbon. Now see, it is made up of bronze. Bronze metal is there. It is made of from that bronze metal and is fitted with swivel mounting. Swivel mounting means fitted with a swivel mounting means it is fixed in a way which allows it to move freely. It is in such a way it fixed that it allows it to to move freely and has a plain purple ribbon. It has hang with a purple ribbon. On the observe, it on the obverse it has the Indian national emblem at the center. On the obverse means the side of a coin or the side of a medal that has the head design on it. Means the front side. Means on the front side it has the Indian national emblem. So you see in this picture also it has the national emblem at the center in the front side, surrounded by four replicas of Indra's Vajra. So see, it is emblem. Emblem means it is the symbol, an object that represents something. So our emblem is the one. Our national symbol is there in their front side, in its front side, and even it has surrounded by four replicas. Replica means a very good or exact copy of that. So it has exact copy of Indra's Vajra. It is surrounded. See in the picture you see in your textbook, it is just surrounded by the four Indra's Vajras are there. Four Indra's Vajras are there. On the reverse, the words Paramveer Chakra are engraved in Hindi and English. On the reverse means on opposite side. What is there? The words are there. Which words? Paramveer Chakra. And it is engraved. Engrave means to cut words or design on wood, stone or metal. So it is made with that words are there. That Paramveer Chakra, and it is made as a design on wood that or on that metal. It is on bronze metal. So on that this name is written. In which language? In Hindi and English. Both the languages are there. So here in picture front side is shown, back to it this name is there with two lotus flowers in between. So in between in that again two flowers are there. Here front side how four Indra's Vajra are there, and then in middle what is there? Emblem is there. Our symbol is there, national symbol. And at the back side what is there? Paramveer Chakra name is there, and it is engraved means it is just it is cut in that on that metal, and it is written in Hindi and English, and there are two lotus flowers are there in between them. And this is all about the first paragraph. Now see the second paragraph. The Paramveer Chakra medal was designed by Savitribai Khanolkar. So this medal has been designed by Savitribai Khanolkar. She was a European lady who married Vikram Khanolkar, an Indian army officer. So though she was a European lady, but still she married with an Indian army officer. Her husband's name was Vikram Khanolkar. He was an Indian army officer. Savitribai loved India and took Indian citizenship. So also just not only she married with an Indian army officer, but she loved India too much, and she took Indian citizenship also. So though she was an European lady, but she took Indian citizenship. She spoke Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi fluently and had studied Indian arts and traditions in depth. So she spoke Marathi also, Sanskrit also and Hindi also. Though she was an European lady, but still she was able to speak these all the our languages, Indian languages, that is Marathi, Sanskrit and Hindi also, and had studied Indian arts and traditions in depth. means she has also studied in well manners that how is our Indian traditions or how we celebrate different types of festival, how are our what are our just Indian traditions or arts. So she has well known about this all. This is all about second